Hey fellow flowers, Violet here, and do you have a bouquet that is very special to you or a flower that you'd like to preserve? Well, today I'll be showing you how to do just that. Here is what you'll need. These are from Trader Joe's, and then I also took some time to get outside and pick some flowers from my garden. Whatever you use, fresh flowers work best. Next, some parchment paper, something flat to put the flower in between. I'm using the back sides of these plates, and then something to weigh it all down like a microwave safe cup. To begin, you'll want to layer your flat surface, a piece of parchment paper, then a clipping of your flowers, followed by another piece of parchment paper, and then another flat side, and give it a good press down, and then put your weight on top. Next, place it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and when you pull it all out, give it a good press down so that way you can expel any extra water that's in there. And then when you release, you'll notice that the plate and the parchment paper will have the water that has been expelled from the flower. And you just want to kind of dab it, clean up the water, and then place it back in the microwave for a 15-second burst this time. If the parchment is completely trashed, you can just replace it. And after a few bursts, you should have something like this. So these are ready pressed flowers. You can use them as is, but for thicker flowers like roses, I recommend letting them dry out for an extra day or two, just to make sure that they are completely fluid free when you use your resin to make jewelry or to make anything of your heart's desire. And until you're ready to use them, you can store them in a Ziploc bag. And voila, that is how you make pressed flowers. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep blooming. Bye.